In this lesson, we are going to use a lot of Firebase APIs to have access to Firebase services. So let me introduce you beforehand where we should get those information. So let's go back to add Firebase to Flutter. And this is the page we have used how to configure Flutter for Firebase. And as you scroll it down, these are the list of packages or plugins for Firebase services. I've told you that we are going to use authentication, user sign-in or user account creation, Cloud Firestore, which is for text-based NoSQL database, and then cloud storage for file-based database for typically non-text data like images. In each of those links shows some use of the API. So let's begin with authentication. There, and then you can look at the details of authentication services. It begins with how to add, install, and so on. We have done all these steps already. We have added a corresponding package. So you can take time to read some other information here there. But in this lesson 3 app, primarily we are going to use a password-based authentication. So on this page here, it shows how to create a new account on Firebase. The code is given here. So Firebase auth, that is available as we have installed the package, and then the method name and the email and password provided. Then return value shows the created new user account. We are going to use this code later as we get to that part of the lesson 3 app. So these are the examples how to use or how to create a new account with the email and password. Also a little bit down for the created accounts, how do you sign in, how a user signs in, the code is there. The method is sign in with the email and password. If email and password are matching with the stored credentials, then you get the user information. If user information is not null, then user successfully signs in to the Firebase authentication service. So this part is API information about the authentication services on the Firebase.